Let's go and see our office area. Here is our administration department. The followed one is purchasing department. And the next, planning department. This is research and development department. And here are the international market. This is our entertainment area. After work, you can play table tennis, ping pong, and running here. Here are our 4 assembly line. She is soldering the battery cell and the PCB together. You can see all our staffs wear the electrostatic ring. And after soldering, we will doing the input and the output test. In this line, they are assemble the housing, PCB, and the battery cell together. She is doing the semi-finished product test. You can see detailed information here. If there is no problem, here will show pass. This is our aging test loop. After all goods assembled, we will doing aging test here. The standard time for power bank is 16 hours. There are 7 laser machines in our factory. If customer have requirements for laser, we can show you the effect very soon. She is putting all the package materials in the gift box, and we do all the package by ourselves.